Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. We just finished a Armytrix exhaust setup on a F10 535. I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough. This is super easy for any kind of DIY guys. Everything's stock on the car. The hardest thing about it would be pulling the factory muffler off, just because it's a big one-piece heavy exhaust. Points, you have bolt here. Pull this shield down with these bolts, and then your hangers. You have two here, one here. Same on the other side. The whole thing comes off, and that's it. Really simple install.